Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up automated payroll services for your company using Deel, one of the easiest ways to run global payroll without drowning in admin. If you're managing teams across different countries, or you just want a clean, automated payroll process, this guide is for you.
Are you ready to get rewarded? Click the link in the description and claim your $500 sponsorship today. It's fast, easy, and completely free. Don't miss this opportunity.
Before we jump into setup, here's why Deel makes automated payroll so powerful. Fully automated payroll cycles, global tax compliance handled by local experts, payments in 100+ currencies, automatic calculations for taxes, benefits, and contributions, built-in audit-ready reports. Basically, you set it up once, and Deel runs everything in the background. All right, let's walk through the setup. 1. Log into Deel and go to your company dashboard. On the left menu, click Payroll. This is your command center. 2. Add your employees or contractors. You'll enter roles, salaries, payment frequency, and any country-specific details. Deel automatically creates fully compliant contracts based on local laws. 3. Choose your payroll cycle. Monthly, bi-weekly, weekly? Select it once, and Deel will automate the timing from then on. Connect your payment method. Link your company bank account or fund your Deel wallet. This enables automated payouts globally. 5. Configure taxes, benefits, and deductions. Here's the magic. Deel automatically applies country-specific tax rules and mandatory contributions. You just review and confirm. 6. Activate payroll automation. Once everything looks good, turn on auto-run payroll. From now on, Deel will calculate, deduct, and send. Deel doesn't just automate payments. It automates everything around them. Compliance alerts, flags anything that needs attention, automatic pay slips generated for every employee, multi-country tax reporting, perfect for finance teams, real-time payroll dashboards, see statuses for every region, time off sync, leave requests automatically impact payroll. It's payroll, HR, and compliance, all in one platform. And that's how you set up automated payroll using Deel. It's fast, it's global, and it removes 90% of the manual work companies typically deal with. If your business is scaling, or you want payroll to finally run itself, Deel is one of the easiest ways to get there. Follow for more quick Deel guides. More tutorials coming soon.